Okay, because someone requested it, I have created a custom firmware where you can upload at least 5 images and use it as a display for this e-paper. Okay, so what you have seen is a photo album implementation here on the ESP32-S3-EPaper from Waveshare. Okay, so I've written a custom firmware just for that. And the thing is, even if you have uploaded a image that is colored, I have created a certain, or I have implemented a certain algorithm that will make this into monochrome. So that's really, really good. And with that, let me show you how to do those type of things. Okay, so the way it works is that I have programmed this boot button so that it is something that you can cycle through the images that you have uploaded. And the good thing with an e-paper is that even if it's not powered like this, okay, as you can see, it is not working anymore, but the images, it will stay there. Okay, so let's just plug it in so that it will reset. But okay, as you can see, the image is there also. Okay, now the way that you upload it is, so let's go here. Okay, so as you can see here, let's just, okay, and if you click upload image, it needs to, first you need to connect to Hakista TV or whatever um, access point that you have configured it. So I'll be showing you first. So it's like the other one. You just go to settings, and here you can say the SSID, the password, and what's the domain name that you can use. Like for example, here it's hakistatv.local. Okay, so if you change it, you can just click save and restart. We'll not be doing that, but I'll be showing you the upload image functionality. And as you can see here, I have 4 images here that I have uploaded. And the thing is, you can click clear so that you can have other slots, or you don't want to display something. I what I did is, you have to upload something that is 200 by 200 pixel, because that is the square implementation, so it will not be distorted when it is in the e-paper. Okay, and the next one is that you will have this 5 slot here, so you can select one, and let's upload a file. So I do have here an updated one, so let's see. Okay, this one should work. Okay, let's find, I have one that has an X. Okay, so this one, so let's upload it on slot 5. Let's upload and display it. As you can see here, it has already displayed it, and it is here. Okay, so if we cycle it, okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5, as you can see. So that is how it works. So if you want to remove it again, all you have to do is click clear. Okay, and when we click clear, okay, so let's try again. As you can see, it shouldn't be showing anymore. Okay, so that is how it is done. It's a really, really easy firmware. Okay, you just go back home, and this works even if you don't have an SD card, by the way. So I made it that way. So You only need this one. Okay, and the same way that you can upload it here, I have I will be putting up the GitHub where you can have the firmware there. I will have the instructions there so that you can upload it on this device if you have one. And I'll be sharing down the link where you can buy it also on a Waveshare website. And whatever online or affiliate links that YouTube will show you. And just to remind you, if you buy using my link, a small portion of it will go to the channel. So that's a disclaimer that I just want to share to you guys. And I hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so there you have it. A very portable photo album for you. And the thing is, one thing that is really good when it comes to e-paper is that whenever there is something that is displayed on the screen, even if it's not being powered, the thing will stay there because e-paper doesn't, what you call it, need any energy to display things. So once it is there or once it is etched there, even if you turn or cut off the power, it can stay there for indefinitely because it doesn't need any power to do so. And yeah, so if you have any other ideas, just comment down below and let's see, maybe that is something that I can implement also if it's not really complex like this. And I hope you enjoy it. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.